Welcome to this tutorial on how to archive, delete, or restore your files in Hubspot. Keeping your digital workspace organized is essential for efficiency, and HubSpot makes it simple to manage your files. First, go to hubspot.com and click the login button in the top right corner. Once you enter your credentials, you'll arrive at the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your home screen. Next, look to the top right and click on the gear icon labeled Settings. This opens the Settings menu, the main area where you can manage and customize HubSpot features. Inside Settings, head over to Properties. This section allows you to manage account attributes, including how files are handled. From here, click on the More option to open a drop-down menu. Choose Archive to move selected files out of your main workspace while still keeping them accessible if needed later. To archive specific files, use the Archive Property option. This safely relocates files to the archive section without deleting them permanently. If you ever need to bring a file back, you can easily restore it. Go to the archived section through the same More menu, locate your file, and click Restore. This will move the file back into your active workspace. On the other hand, if there are files you no longer need, you can permanently delete them. Simply click Delete next to the file. But keep in mind, deletion is irreversible unless you have backups stored elsewhere, so always proceed with caution. By following these steps, you'll keep your HubSpot workspace organized and efficient, making it easier to focus on the tasks that matter most. And that's how you archive, delete, or restore your files in HubSpot.